Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions. You need edit or full control to create persistent links. Once confirmed, open the Sharepoint site and go to the exact page or document library where the link will live. Decide now what your link will target: a document, another page, an external site, or a section anchor. This choice changes the steps slightly. Make sure the destination exists and is accessible to your audience so you avoid broken links later. Now create the link itself. In a document library, use New Link or right-click a file to get Share Copy Link. For pages, click Edit, add a link or text web part, and paste the URL. Once pasted, set a clear display name so users know the destination. Choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new one, and apply any formatting or emphasis. If necessary, restrict who can view by adjusting the file or page permissions. This ensures users finish by saving or publishing your page and confirming the link appears where expected. Once done, test the link immediately in a different browser, and if possible, with a standard user account so you validate both functionality and permissions. If the link fails, check 3 things. Permission settings on the target, whether the URL requires encoding or contains special characters, and whether you used a relative path that only works inside the site. Adjust accordingly. Then republish and retest to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.